Hello everyone, it's Marielle over here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool for agencies looking to give white-labeled automated SEO reports. And today, we're just going to go over a quick tutorial for one of the tools we've already been creating a whole playlist on and we've been teaching you guys about called SE ranking. And for today, we're just going to go over some of the basics. In this case, more specifically, we're going to teach you guys how to add a new project to your already pre-existing account. So just note, you do need a account already on SE ranking, whether it's free or the paid version, both will work for this tutorial. So now that we're on the website, let's just head back to our projects page. Now, as you can see, if you were to head back to the main projects page, this is what you'll see. We're going to call this our dashboard for now. And from here, you're going to see every other project that you might have already in existence. Right here, we already have one. And just for this video, we're going to create a second one for you guys to see. So just to start, let's just go over this page. On the upper right corner, you're going to see a plus button surrounded by a square outline. It should be beside the question or flag button and the alert button right here and your profile button right to the most upright area. And if you just hover your mouse over this plus button, you're going to see that it is a create project button. So let's just click this really quickly. And from here, you'll be redirected to the project settings menu. So this is where we're going to start adding the important information that we want to take into consideration when it comes to the SE rankings analysis of our website in this case. So right now we're going to use our actual website to analyze. So pearllemon.com. Make sure that the domain is correct, domain type, group type's correct, project name. We're going to change the name really quickly to Pearl Lemon Analysis Tutorial. And then from here, you can also choose the search range. So just note that since we're on the free trial in this case, we can't really change that. We're also going to see that you can actually choose who has access to this account. In this case, we're only going to do it for me. And then last, you can see whether the weekly report or the website audit is enabled or not. So that's just all we're going to go over for the first page. We're going to have a second video for the keywords because that's going to need its own tutorial since we're going to go pretty in depth into that topic. But for now, this is the first page on how to create a project. Hopefully this helps you better manage any sort of SEO analysis you might be doing through these platforms. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you need any more help when it comes to SE ranking, be sure to check out the rest of our channel using either the link on the upper right corner of this video or any of the links below. See you next time!